Hello and welcome to my channel, On Track with Illy. And today I am at Stockport. Guys, today was absolutely chaotic. So, I was waiting for the 192 bus next to Plymouth Grove. And it was late, the 192 first of all. So, I was meant to come here before 11:57 and I could catch a climber going to Piccadilly and the Mark 4 set. 192 decided to be bloody late. So, I didn't come here on time. Not only that, the 192 was so late, it stopped at every stop, so I ended up coming here late. So I missed 39121 going to Piccadilly. And I was going to record 39121 going to Piccadilly from here to Norwich, but 39121 was slipping fast and passed by the time I could even come. So that was chaotic. And also, I missed 39001 as I was coming into Stockport. So yeah. Well, we're here now. The climber will be coming back anyway, so I can record it come back. We're gonna have all the liveries Pendolinos coming today into Stockport. That's gonna be good. So today at Stockport.
The next train to arrive at platform 3 will be the 12:19 cross-country service to Manchester Piccadilly. Calling it Manchester Piccadilly only. This train is formed of 5 coaches. First class accommodation is at the front of the train.
So, today at Stockport you're going to be seeing services by Avanti West Coast, Northern, Transpennine Express, Cross Country, East Midlands and Transport World. They're going to be seeing plenty of freight. I'm here up to 2 o'clock anyways. So plenty of freight while I'm here. So yeah. And 001, when I came into Stockport, 001 was leaving because I was just outside Stockport. You know, next to the Stockport where the taxis are, I was next to there. And while I was next to there, 001 passed. And as I was running from Stockport, next to where the buses are, I was running from there. So I seen 67029 going to Manchester Piccadilly with an 82 on the rear. It was a black 82. Black Mark 4 coaches on it. We're going to see that one as return. When it comes back, the 82 is going to be leading, and the 67029 is going to be on the back when that returns. And guys, one more thing as well, I'm out of breath now. So hopefully I can catch my breath back. But yeah. So enjoy the video. Let's see what I turn up. We've got 2 trains coming in. The first is the 12:19 cross-country service to Manchester Piccadilly, which is ex-Avanti West Coast, 221113. When you look at 221113 on the back, that doesn't look like an ex-Avanti. It looks like a normal cross country, especially where the brown bit is. Wait, did they paint it? Let's see. Look like they painted it a bit brown and red. They painted it a bit brown here. So on the back one, it's not like an ex-Avanti on the back. Interesting. You learn things every day. I didn't know it had that brown thing on the back. I think it's only 22113 hours down the back. And now leaving is 156460, working the 12:19 Northern service to Chester. And now 221113 ex-Avanti West Coast is now leaving, working the 12:19 cross-country service to Manchester Piccadilly. There goes 33109 off to Crewe, I think. Guys, and one more thing, guys off the crew, one more thing, guys. If you want ever race against a Pendolino, don't race against a Pendolino. Because Pendolino, no joke. Pendolino, they, like, I checked on real-time trains, the climate was in here, the climate was here. So, as I was going to Heaton Norris to see if I could record it from there, the climate already passed at Heaton Norris, and I was like, how the hell did it pass Heaton Norris? It was at Stockport. So you see how Pendolinos, guys, are so fast. So don't race against Pendolinos. They are way, way, way too fast. Yeah. Anyways, I don't know how I'm going to be doing this video. I don't know if I'm going to do a whole video. I might do maybe 2 parts when I'm here for once. But yeah, guys, sorry for the long introduction. I'm going to pause the clip, get back to you on the next train. Anyways, here we have 390-046 working the 1224 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston. That 390, sorry guys, that 390 stopped very far to the platform. Okay, got Northern Class 323 coming in. It's going on to platform 3. I'll try to get you the numbers. Should I record like this? Three to 220. Is working the 1226 to Manchester Piccadilly. Okay, we're back here now with 390-046. This Pendolino's late because it's 25. And we've got the Transpennine leaving behind the Avanti. I'll try to zoom in for you. I'm not going to be able to get you the numbers, so even if I try. But there goes the Transpennine for you. It's a very clean Transpennine 185. That's a double pairing off. Oh, we got some 170s coming. First time I'm recording 170 on this platform. Right. It's a 6-carriage one. It's 174.16. And another way is 174.20. And our leaving is 390-046 to work in the 1224 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston. Leaving 2 minutes late now. As 174.16 and 420 is now leaving. Working the 1225 East Midlands train service to Liverpool Line Street. Okay, arriving now is going to be the 12:33 Northern service to Manchester Piccadilly. 2 carriages this one.
The next train to arrive at
It's
platform 3
150,
will be
126.
the 12:36 Avanti West Coast service to Manchester Piccadilly, travelling with a rear line flight from Manchester Piccadilly only. Line number 1 only seated passengers are hold brackets. Please be aware that you can only bring a bicycle on this service if you have booked beforehand. We are sorry that the 12:15 Northern service to Manchester Piccadilly in front of this one.
Okay, arriving now is going to be the 12:33 cross country service to Bournemouth.
May cause you. The next train to arrive at platform 1 will be the 12:33 Northern service to Maple Grove.
So it's not an extra Avanti, unfortunately, but it's
Transmart and
221,
Mason Road.
124.
This train is full of 2 coaches.
Okay, arriving now is the 12:36 Avanti West Coast service to Manchester Piccadilly. It's a Railway 200 39016.
The next train to arrive at platform 4 will be the 12:15 Northern service to Manchester Piccadilly. Call it Manchester Piccadilly only. This train is called off.
39016 still has its 200 stickers on it. And, and 220124 is now leaving, working the 12:33 cross country service to Manchester Piccadilly. Yeah, I'll get you in the next clip. Okay, now getting eventually pound now is going to be now leaving now is going to be the 12:36 Avanti West Coast service to Manchester Piccadilly.
Will be the 12:40 Transport for Wales service to Cardiff Central. Call it Winslow, Crewe, Shrewsbury, Ludlow, Leominster, Hereford, Abergavenny, Kilbride, Newport and Cardiff Central.
We've got Northern Class 150 coming, and I get you the numbers of it, but I don't know about recording it. So leading the way for the 150 is 150 148
The next train to arrive at platform 3
and 150 125.
40 Northern service to Manchester Piccadilly.
Let's see what schedule this one's working.
Manchester Piccadilly only. This train
Squeaky
is full
brakes.
of 3 coaches.
That's the late
The
12:15
next train
service
to arrive at
to
platform 3
Manchester
will
Piccadilly.
be the 12:40 Northern service to Manchester Piccadilly. Calling it Manchester Piccadilly only. This train is full of 3 coaches.
And now arriving is going to be the 1240 Transport for Wales service to Cardiff Central. It's one of the DVT leading, 82, it's one of the 82 on leading. The 150 is now off, 150, 125. Eighty-two 201 is leading. But arriving now is going to be the 1236 Northern service to Manchester Piccadilly. Three to three, 210.
You are reminded to stand behind the yellow line.
And
Next train to arrive at platform 2.
The next train to arrive at platform 2 is the 1240 service to London Euston, following your Stockport, Nuneaton,
underwear
and London Euston.
67029 Royal
This
Diamond.
train is in reverse formation, and therefore first class standard premium coaches on this train can be found at the railway platforms.
Okay, now arriving is the 1244 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston. Is 39121 doing this opportunity. I gotta move a bit more to see the climate. I don't know why Avanti Pendolino trains, they stop so far to the platform. Which other trains they they stop not too far. This is the first time I have been this far away from this Pendolino, far away of Stockport station. So there's 39121 for you. Oh no, we've got a flight coming. I'm gonna record it this way, guys. Phew, didn't get covered. 66558 is doing that one. So the climate today is in reverse formation. So. There that goes anyway, 391 to 1 opportunity. Did a nice rhythm even. Okay, as now we move forwards. We have a Northern Class 331 coming. There we go. Oh, it's my favorite 331, 331 105. Guys, there's no trains coming, but let me just say this to you. To be honest anyways, it's okay if I didn't catch the climber going Piccadilly, because when they go to London anyway, they do better rhythm than when they go Piccadilly. So I think it's better that I recorded going to London instead of Piccadilly. But yeah, I don't know where that flight was going to, 66558, maybe that's doing the early 6J34 maybe? Could be that. When I put this in, when I put this for YouTube, I need to see if I recorded the flight properly. If I recorded it like this, you know, like sometimes on 66, if you face it, sometimes it can scare you, it can blow the horn, and it can scare you. So I decided to record it like that. Yeah. But anyways, still no trains coming in yet. But yeah, so it's 12:49 now. So yeah, guys, I think I'm going to do this in 2 parts because it's now 12:49 and there's no chance I'm going to keep one video because one video could end up being 1 hour. So I better do 2 parts. So I might film some last couple of trains in this part. We're going now coming in the old Edge service. That's how the announcement. Ah, that didn't explain it. It's the old Edge one anyway, followed by 331. We might get the Liverpool service coming. We might get the Liverpool service coming. And then I might end it for part 1.
Cross country service to Manchester Piccadilly. Manchester Piccadilly only. This train is formed of 4 coaches. First class accommodation is at the rear of the train.
Guys, now I catch my breath back now. The only reason why I'm staying up to 2 o'clock is because of the Pride. Because I want to get the Pride going back. Let me get you the Transpennine coming in. I might not do like last time. I sacrificed to the cross country. I might stay recording this. So leading the way is 185, 106. And now the 51 is now off, 51 106, going to Old the Edge. Proud to be Northern, which the sticker of the class 51 is peeling off. Okay guys, our final train of part 1 is going to be the 12:51 cross-country service to Manchester Piccadilly. 185, 114 is the rail on the Transpennine 185. Two 20-012 is doing that one. And arriving now is my new favourite number, 323208, working the 12:55 Northern service to Stoke-on-Trent.